In this video, I'm going to teach you exactly how I build these Ronaldo and Messi choose edits from scratch. Real raw clips, hand cut and CapCut, no AI shortcuts. And if you stick around to the end, I'm giving away my entire master folder for this template completely free. I'm also breaking down the real RPM on this kind of football content by country, UK, US, Canada, so you know exactly what this format is actually worth before you copy it. With the World Cup happening right now, this exact format is about to get pushed harder than almost anything else on football pages. Let's get into it. Let's start with video idea. Dad or World Cup 2026. This part that actually changes every time I post. The choose images. This is where the World Cup matters, because whatever's trending that day is what goes in this slot. I keep a circles folder with red, white, and green transparent circle PNGs. Those sit on top of each photo as the selector graphic, so when the reveal happens, the circle locks onto whichever option I'm pushing. Grab two images tied to whatever's trending. 2 players, 2 moments, 2 jerseys, it doesn't matter. Drop them into the left and right boxes of the template, resize to match the existing crop, and lay the circle asset on top. Because the template's already built, this whole step takes me about 3 minutes. For the voice saying the choice out loud, I keep this simple. I type the line straight into Google Translate, hit listen, and capture that audio. It's free, it's fast, and that slightly robotic Google voice has basically become its own meme at this point, which works in our favor. Export it, drop it on the audio track, and line it up so the voice hits right as the circle lands on the choice. Now, the reactions. This is what actually sells the joke. From my Messi reactions folder, I'll pull something like the "nah bro" clip or the serious or angry one, depending on the tone I want. And on the Ronaldo side, I've got 2 ready-made reaction templates with the HMMM text already built in. Whichever reaction matches the choice goes right after the voiceover line, so the rhythm is always choice spoken, circle lands, reaction plays. That 3-beat pattern is the entire format. Build it once as a template, and after that, you're just swapping the people and the topic. So here's the giveaway. Comment the word template below, like this video, subscribe, and share it with one person who edits. Then send me a screenshot of all of that on Discord, and I'll personally send you my entire master folder. The templates, the reaction clips, everything you just watched me build, ready for you to drop your own content into. For the text, I use a glow style on the question itself. Drop the text layer, switch the preset to glow, and keep the font big enough to read in half a second, because that's all the attention you're getting. Then sound design. A whoosh right as the circle moves, a sharp ding when it locks onto the choice, and a trending track underneath. Duck down so the voiceover stays clear. I just tell you the main part. In the spaces, you can add your own story to make video for shorts. Using the text techniques I told you, and DM me if you face any issues on Discord. Soon, I'm going to make a WhatsApp channel. Also, you can enjoy it also. Maybe you'll find it in the video description. Please subscribe if you really found this video useful. Like, share, and most importantly, share your feedback on comments. If you have any suggestions, idea what video you want next, see you soon. Follow the video along. Watch my full CapCut editing tutorial for viral niche editings. Don't skip a bit even, otherwise you won't understand.